Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's a Friday the 5th of March and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 shout out before everyone gets back on Monday the 8th of March. We are really excited and looking forward to everyone on Monday and then carrying on that fantastic work that everyone's been doing. But these shout outs this morning are for all those children who worked super hard this week. Let's have a little look at them. Look, oh, Kieran, must mention Kieran. Kieran's been on his walking challenge and I know I mentioned him back in January. Look at this February, his walking challenge. Look at him here walking. It is phenomenal because look at all the days that he's been walking and how far he's walked, and then he's totaled them all up, and altogether 37.79 miles in February. There's only 28 days in February, yet he's nearly walked 40 miles. Kieran, get a little round of applause for Mr. Allen. Fantastic, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Talk about our mental health and keeping ourselves well. The best way to do that is getting out, getting some exercise, and walking is a fantastic exercise to do that. So I am really proud of you. Keep it up. I can't wait to see how far you walk in March. Really well done. Proud of you. Thank you so much. Moving on to Mr. Davison. Look at these year 6 stars. I know Mr. Davison's really impressed with these guys. We've got Emily Rose, and we've got Elia, Ellie, Harlow, Tedas, Julia, Angel, Leon, Ruby and Jamie. The work that you guys have been putting on Chobe is phenomenal, and I know Mr. Davison cannot wait to Monday because I know you'll just carry on that work and carry on working just as hard when we are back in school. So thank you guys. I know Mr. Davison is very impressed. A nice wall there of shout outs for you absolute superstars. So thank you for Mr. Allen as well. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. We're moving on as well to Miss White. Look at Miss White. Look at these. We've got masses again. Look. We've got Jakisha, Alfie, Mia, Mahir, Mandy, Millie, Savannah, Milana, Christopus, Lexi and Joseph. Look at you guys. Look at that home learning. I know posting so much on Class Dojo. It is fantastic to see. So really impressive. Miss White cannot wait to see you guys when we're all back in school. So looking forward to that and looking forward to seeing all those smiley faces and all of that really hard work going on in school. So come on guys, I'll see you then. Oh, look out. Mr. Ackerman, look at these. Shout out for super learners, no less. We've got Thea, we've got Bailey, we've got Tilly, we've got Jack, Barrett, Alea, Diego, Marshall and Heather. You absolute super learners at home. You're going to carry on being super learners when we're back on Monday. Mr. Ackerman can't wait. We can't wait. Massive shout out, guys. Thank you so much for all of that hard work you've done at home. Thank you, mums and dads, as well, for all the effort you've put in as well. Here we go, look out. Miss Barrett Superstars, no less. Here we go. Oliver, Eliza, Riley, Bella, Alicia, Jessica, Mia, Reggie, Doreen, Reese, Kobe, Caden, Jake, Racer, Mia and Jessica. Look at that. A whole wall of superstars. And I know again, similarly, Miss Barrett cannot wait to see you guys on Monday to carry on that fantastic, because I know you've been working so hard. And big smiley faces like that, Reggie. So that's exactly what I want to see on Monday morning, please, Reggie, because I tell you, it just cheers me up to see those smiley faces. So thank you, guys. Well done. Moving on, we've got, look at Mr. Pinno stars for completing work at home. He's got a good wall of them again. Here we've got Claudia, Olivia, Botan, Ruben, Abby, Ivor, Tyler, Sophie, Oliver, Dylan, Michael, Amelia, Subhan, Gemma, Riley. Brilliant, guys. I am so impressed. Thank you so much. And I know the amount of work that's going on Chobe. I know Mr. Pinno is so impressed with all of that as well, because it's fantastic to see all of that work. And I know full when we come to Monday, you'll just be carrying on working as you have done at home. So thank you so much. Well done. Here we go. Look, Miss Musselwhite Superstars. We've got Nadia, Joshua, Cornelius, Bianca, Isabel, Diego, Dragos, Goda, Janisa and Bart. Working so hard throughout this week. You really have. Thank you so much, because when we come to Monday, you'll hit the ground running. I know Miss Musselwhite cannot wait. Big smiles on your face as well. Please keep that up, and it'll be lovely to see you all on Monday working just as hard as you have done at home. So thank you so much. Oh, Miss Percy's, look at these home learning stars and look at the work as well. It is phenomenal that's appearing on Chobe. So thank you guys so much. We've got Edric, Zara, Scarlett, Cody, Jeffrey, Callum, Dominic, Alex, Luke, Damien, Caden and Miriam. Phenomenal work. Year 6s, can I just say, the writing, the history work, look at that artwork going on there, the maths, all the way through. It is phenomenal. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to see you. And I know that work is just going to carry on for those 3 weeks up to Easter, because you guys have been working so hard at home. So massive shout out to you, and thank you all. And thank you again, mums and dads, for helping out with that and making sure they're getting everything down on Chile. So really well done, Year 6s. Miss Arthurton superstars. Look at this wall of superstars as well. We've got Milana, Sophie, Ashton, Freya, Erica, Lily, Brooklyn, Amelia, William, Martin, Lily Mae, Joe, Damian, Oliver, and Kieran. You absolute superstars. Look at that. Thank you, Year 5s. You've been working so hard. Thank you so much. I know Miss Arthurton cannot wait till Monday to see you all back and then working just as hard as you have been doing at home. So thank you all. There it is. Well done, everyone. Looking forward to seeing everyone on Monday the 8th of March, and I cannot wait for 8:30 on Monday. Have a great weekend, and we'll see those big smiles on that Monday morning, and we'll get back to our learning. Until then, everyone, bye-bye now.